Yes. What is up, everybody? This is Good Night. Welcome back to this channel, your favorite channel. We are talking about Mukoma Vanchoga. One song ya just now, and this time yakataka kuchinja. Like I've been hearing quite a number of people started. Monanonzi Vanchoga. He sounds a little bit more better or more, I don't know with Raj, but some people actually say the main sounds better kana chimba pa hip hop. So let's hear this song ya imba, and he said something about Ngoma Anonzi Holy 10. Let's hear what he said.
Chief for real. Did not video tauri. Iwe, it's a Vanchoga. Skiri dan kindanga. Ibe. Never come another kwamji. Hey baby last asukshaya anorora. But maNigaz azie. Ibling ye panet asavana kanadora. But maNigaz azie.
As ibling ye panet but avana kanadora. Diana utauro yo baba, but let's not go deep.
Vakanda vamnoona vakapinda nekutonyora.
Hanza wakawanda munoona vakapinda nekutonyora. Ungoimba here kana kuti is talking about someone or some people.
Vakawanda vazive naficheta bo chimbomire zvekuromba. But maNigaz azive kuruwa ndokuteni same tena holy 10. Kuruwa ndokuteni same tena holy 10.
Hanzi kuruwa ndokuteni. Havana hari kuti same chika ari same gate kanje same gate na holy 10. I don't know what zvakuta. Please, I stand to be corrected. But after something to do with kuti hanzi ndiri pa like tubva kumwe chete na holy 10. And ndinasoti kana vakatanga kuridza music yakadauda isoka. It feels much better kwandiri wangu. I don't know wamwe yesewo.
Kuruwa ndokuteni same tena holy 10. Kuruwa ndokuteni same tena holy 10.
Ndazvauda kubata savanchoka.
Ndimkomino kamtiti, ndinopenga handiti, ndine saga remahiti, ndinabvusi masokisi, yadansa mustokisi, sarangu mubokisi, koyere majisi, sasa benzire batrip. Hey baby last asikushaya anorora.
Baby last batrikushaya anorora. Zoitika izvozvo mugeto.
But maNigaz azive ibling ye panet asavana kanadora. maNigaz azive vakanda vamnoona vakapinda nekutonyora. Vakawanda vazive naficheta bo chimbomire zvekuromba. But maNigaz azive ukanyura murudo medzisiro wakutochema.
It will end in tears. Ukanyura murudo medzisiro wakuchema.
Kufamba usina mask takutokolekta mari yechema.
Anzana kufamba usina mask takutokolekta mari yechema. Yeah, it makes sense and it's very true. You have to make sure you stay safe out there. Make sure on a mask. I'm doing this video and I'm alone in the studio. So, but you should always have a mask and also have a sanitizer. Alright, let's just continue.
Chema newadya uri mugarden kunge chema. Igwe usabatwe brain ingwana katerera pamure chema. Kuruwa ndokuteni same get na holy 10. 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 Ndimkomino kamtiti, ndinopenga handiti, ndine saga remahiti. Ndinabvusi masokisi, yadansa mustokisi, sarangu mubokisi, koyere majisi, sasa benzire batrip. Hey baby last asikushaya anorora. But maNigaz azive.
I like Vanchoga. I don't know what to say, but I like the way he sounds. Kana chimba masongs akada uenda unaita hip hop so. I don't know, you can also tell me what you think in the comments box about this one, but that's what I think.
Ibling ye panet asavana kanadora. But maNigaz azive vakanda vamnoona vakapinda nekutonyora. Vakawanda vazive naficheta bo chimbomire zvekuromba. But maNigaz azive
I don't know. I think I'm gonna spend the whole, I don't know, day or a week or a month digitera this song. I like it. Pabatko from the way and in. I like the way plus the video also is sort of like very simple in a home street chichichi like kind of boys or but maNigaz has you know, like
but maNigaz asi, but maNigaz asi, but maNigaz asi, but maNigaz asi.
So this is it. This is Mkoma van Choga vatrera kasonka kanopisa. Go and check it out on his YouTube channel. Yakanzio Van Choga. He's got around 23,000 subscribers. So I believe by now, let me put a like on this song. And Getaroos have been TuneCore certified for surpassing 15,000 streams worldwide. Thank you everyone who support the art. Let it get to 50,000 streams. So Akaka President, can you my fans? Aka President. Okay, so this one is a present yatapiwa na Mkoma van Choga vachi celebrate 15,000 streams worldwide pa TuneCore. Obviously now honestly I don't know a lot about TuneCore. Let me check some of the people, what some of the people are saying in the comments box. Let's look at the comments. So someone saying, yo, this guy is crazy. I'm sure, unfortunately, I'm not from Zimbabwe. I'm from Nigeria. And here we call you Odunya Obenzi. Okay. Doto Garapano, this one is someone who said this before the video was actually uploaded. So I'm going to like this guy. One replacement, Yasauru. I don't know how far true it is, but this is what someone is saying. Someone is saying Tashika Made one supporters of Van Choga. Yes, keep on supporting Van Choga, you guys. Sa garema hit. Sa garema hit na Mkoma Van Choga. Chakai mira song bulutsai. I don't know, something like that. Wakagona ere choga iwe. Ndatoya nechi anakamira. So these are some of the people who have come to celebrate Van Choga before they go a long way. Gonna song I just said, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a comment. Ichichino pisa Van Choga to the world. Ramoji pisa Van Choga. So guys, this is what is happening. Let me know what you think about this song in the comments box, and as usual, I'm gonna see you in the next video.